Perfect. So I'm George Kouris. I am the commercial director of Danaos Projects for the VORTEX software department. Today we will discuss and I will show you how our system, which is a CAFM solution, empowers real-time efficiency and cost optimizations. And we will talk about a real case study for Azizi Developments. So to begin with our agenda, we will provide a brief introduction about who we are. Then we will go deep in about Azizi case, the challenges and the solutions, the challenges that we faced during this implementation, and what are the solutions that we provided, and the results, okay, and why Danaos is the trusted partner for the digital transformation. Okay, brief introduction about us. So we are Danaos Projects. Danaos Projects specializes in enterprise vertical solution. We are specialists in that matter with deep expertise in facility management, engineering, and construction. Our solutions are trusted worldwide across industries by leaders seeking tailored and high-impact technology. So our solution, which is called VORTEX, is a facility management suite, consists of 6 vertical modules, one software, one suite with 6 modules, beginning from our left side with the pure facility management, the field service management, maintenance management, invoicing, purchasing, inventory management, CRM with offers management, tasks and approvals, going forward to project management, monitoring projects with phases and sub-phases, and ticketing along with email management. So it's a suite to meet the needs of all departments in an organization. With global presence in many countries and in many continents actually as well. Let's talk about Azizi case. Azizi Development is one of the Dubai's biggest and premier real estate developer. It is known for their residential projects, ranging from affordable homes to luxury communities. Their rapid growth created the need for operational excellence and full digital transformation. What were the challenges that we faced during this project? We have, first of all, a complex and multi-subsidiary structure with hundreds of daily work orders, both for proactive and corrective maintenance. There was the need for a centralized, cloud-based, real-time operations management, integrating multiple departments, and there's also the need for dashboards and KPIs to support decision-making. So the client was seeking for a centralized facility management solution that will serve as the platform for the digital transformation of their organization. What we provided, how VORTEX played the role during their digital transformation. VORTEX is a full cloud-based CAFM solution, ERP and CRM. We customized all workflows for all departments, for facility management, for operations, for HR, for procurement, for accounting and finance. We provided mobile application for their field workforce with real-time asset monitoring and asset tagging. We provided dynamic BI analytics and KPI reports to support decision-making. And finally, client portal as well as subcontractor portal. These are some of the aspects of the departments and the functionalities that we covered, beginning with the pure facility management, hard and soft services, workforce management with a mobile application for field technicians, asset management, asset registry with all attributes and analysis for each asset, monitoring preventive and corrective maintenance, contract management and SLA's monitoring, offers management, cost control, procurement, field service, CRM with tasks and approvals, invoicing, purchasing and inventory management, ticketing and email management, subcontractors, accounting, finance, and finally, BI analytics with dashboards and dynamic reporting. So the VORTEX as a solution has also 4 different interfaces: the back office system, the mobile application, the client portal, and the subcontractor portal. These are some of the options and functionalities for the back office system: a detailed asset list, detailed asset maintenance history, detailed work orders management, real-time status overview with real-time from the mobile app, automated scheduling process, and real-time availability overview. Technicians map, real-time location, and real-time timestamps, SLAs, alerts, notifications, multiple calendar for the back office user, for the dispatching manager, multiple inventories and spare parts monitoring, and dynamic reporting. Concerning the mobile app, we're talking about a native application with a list of the work orders, easy buttons for the technicians to start travel towards the place, to check in, to check out, Google Maps navigation, spare parts utilization procedure, and update the status with client signature. Client portal for some user to raise a new request, login, select the equipment from a predefined asset list, describe the request, attach a photo, describe the problem, and create the request, the ticket. And finally, when we have subcontractors that we need to assign tasks and work orders, the subcontractor will again log in, will be able to accept the work order or decline it, assign the work order to a technician, set availability, and complete it. So what are the results that we achieved for the specific case? Actually, the results speak for themselves. There was a 32% increase in operational productivity, faster closure of work orders, improved customer satisfaction scores, stronger cost control, better corporate governance, smarter decision-making through KPIs monitoring. Why choose Danaos Projects? Danaos brings proven expertise in complex digital transformations, delivering industry-specific, fully customizable CAFM solution. We're committed to a long-term success with our clients. Thank you so much for your time.